Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Let's take a close-up look at the Modern Embossed Number die set. It's from the Sweet Summer Celebration collection, launching in June of 2022. This is an 11-piece die set. It die cuts out every number and it has a percentage sign for you as well. These dies are about 1 inch tall and each of them has a debossed line around the edge, giving it an extra cool detail. You can see it up close right here. There is also a coordinating alphabet die set you can get separately to go with your numbers. They also have a debossed line around the edge. That way you can mix and match the numbers and the letters together. Here's a look at the entire alphabet and the numbers side by side. You can see how they're all 1 inch tall and they coordinate beautifully together to create custom sentiments, as I've done here on this Sweet 16 birthday card. Thank you so much for stopping by and letting me share this amazing new number die set with you. If you'd like more inspiration, you can find Trinity Stamps on Instagram and Facebook, and we have lots more videos for you on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!